Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet bat subscribe ya u Antor News.
Rakkam haba penro ya ka Kong Ampareen ringkat kaJaiñ siam ha parlimen katno kanlong kaJaiñ sarong ya ka Shillong constituency ka NPP kalayo ya ka thei kan sai ubalapan scam ba kalajit da ka kan thei ka babiang tam na kabenta ka election bat ula menjur ya ki pajba ba kidei ban nang pensyong nongrim ya no kin pha sha Delhi ha ka Jinlong kerpang ya ka jila Meghalaya ha ka ba ya dei bat ka jing ajat sha ka kami bat kalong ka ba kongsan banjet ya ka kami ban mi khamat parliamentary constituency sha Delhi kumta ki pajba ka Shillong parliamentary constituency ki dei ban long ki bastat banjet ya thu Rakkam uban rap da ka ba pha ya ka MP kan thei sha ka parliament kala i bha bat biang bha ban khamtam habalap bha lai pulai persen ya ki sit na ka benta ki kan thei lang ba ka Women Reservation Act ulapan pau baka Dr. Ampareen kan phong da kaJaiñ siam hapo jong ka parliament ringkat ya kaJaiñ scam jingmut baka Kong Ampareen kan job ya ka election bat UE bahkan don kano kadaw baka NPP kan job na Shillong bat turasit kipay ba ka Shillong kin sarong ban UE baka DR Ampareen bakan keren hapo parliament hakaba kan riam da kiriam tanrai ula penkut.
Nobody should blame NPP. We have given you the best candidate, the best woman, the best person in the state. Now it is the voters of Shillong parliamentary seats to decide whom you want to send to Delhi. You want to send the mother for your pride, the mother of Meghalayas to represent in Delhi. I think it is very, very appropriate time because what you call the 33% reservation bill passed in the parliament. Maybe it may implement in next MP election. But NPP has went ahead giving 100% seat for both Tura and the Shillong parliamentary seat. But having said so, I don't see any reason of NPP not winning this MP election from Shillong parliamentary seat as well as in Tura. So therefore, I think Madam Ampareen is among the best fitted individual to represent Shillong, which suit the Shillong standard in parliament. I think Shillong people will be happy to see Madam Ampareen sitting in the parliament wearing the Khasi attire, Khasi customary beautiful Khasi dress in parliament. I think Shillong people will be happy, will be glorious to see that Madam Ampareen speaks in parliament wearing a Khasi dress.